Today we're making sweet vodka. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is a completely different recipe than what I had planned on making, simply because, well, it's roasting hot, I'm not gonna lie. It is really hot. And this recipe is part of a bigger recipe. Now you're saying,
well, what does that mean?
Well, simple. If you notice on my channel, you'll see that I have recipes which will include ingredients that we have made before. Simply because I like to do things in a way where you don't have to buy, you don't have to make the ingredient that we're going to use. Like the sweet vodka. I think you can buy sweet vodka, I won't swear to that, but it'll be used in a even bigger recipe, which is going to be so good, which was suggested by my cousin Wendy. Hi Wendy, this is part of your recipe, and it's going to be so good, but we need to start making the ingredients for it. And this one's so simple. I have 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to put this into the bottle. Now, you are surprised that I am using white sugar. There's a reason for it. This stuff has to dissolve, and I'm not going to heat it up. So, raw sugar does not dissolve well unless you heat it up. Now, this is 1.5 cups of vodka. So, if you're saying, well, what if I want to do 2 cups of vodka, 2 cups of sugar? You're just using equal amounts. Now, the easy part. You're just going to mix this up. Remember when we were kids and used to make Kool-Aid and you'd mix it all up? Well, this is it. You want to keep shaking this until everything is dissolved, and it'll go back to being really clear. Just keep shaking it until everything is dissolved. As the day is wearing on, it is getting hotter and hotter. So I decided I'd put this video to rest. What you're going to do is you're just going to keep shaking this up until everything is perfectly crystal clear. Now, in the smaller glass, all you're seeing are just the small particles of sugar. Let me give this a taste. It has a kick of vodka, but it's really sweet. So think about this like a simple syrup. Now, the longer you keep this, eventually you won't even have to shake it because, yes, this will go crystal clear. It's just going to take a while for the sugar to completely dissolve. And we have, as you can imagine, lots of other videos to do. Now, this is a really cool video. This is a really cool thing because we are going to use this in a drink that we're going to make in several weeks, which is just fantastic. But this is the first step. Now, do you have to make your own sweet vodka? No, you can actually go out and buy sweetened vodka. There are quite a few stores that have it. Just check out the brands. But if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at Coleman Home. And I hope we get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.